Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we will be doing some neon dots using our new neon acrylic range. So we've already prepped these nails, we've fitted some C-curve square tips and dehydrated and primed. Now we're going to be using some warm beige and Maxidezin liquid. Medium bead. Pat out the back, keep the finger tilted down. Bring it down to the tip. Small bead for the cuticle area. Finger still pointing down. Pat round the cuticle. I'll add another little bead there, just to raise that apex area a little bit. Not long nails, so they don't need a massive apex. So we're going to file these nails with our new disposable files. You take the sticky off the back, stick it to the metal, and voila, reusable. Genius. They're really good as well because they're nice and strong, no bending. Then obviously when you're done you can just chuck that one away, ready for your next client. take a buffing block and buff out the scratches on the surface of the nail. Get them all nice and smooth. Wipe them over with some, I must have a cut on my finger, gel residue. And then it's ready for the artwork. So we're going to use Serious Black and Snow White. Pop some black on the palette. Take a detailing brush, load up your brush with gel paint. And we're just going to do some random patterns with this. And we'll go to the tip on that one. Right, pop that into the lamp for me. Do a second coat. I'm going to do 2 coats of this black, so it's nice and pigmented. What I'll do is just splash that. And we're going to do a few random swirls. Just round the outside of your design. Pop that back in the lamp for me. Right, we're going to take some Snow White and a dotting tool and just put random dots all over the bigger black part. Different sizes will be good. Make them totally random. Cure those for me. So I'm going to use these powders, these acrylic powders from the Neon collection. Just tap into the colour and ombre it onto these dots. Brush off the excess. And voila, pretty. No particular order, just make as much mess as you want. I even like that design in white, to be honest. Without the colour, it looks pretty, doesn't it? And they're ready for top coat. So we're going to use some gel polish top coat. The colours really pop out when you put the top coat on as well. There you go, pop that in the lamp. We'll just take some gel residue wipe off solution just to get some of the excess dust from around the cuticles. That pigment gets everywhere. Then we're going to finish these off with our brand new Tropical Punch cuticle oil. Oh, it's gorgeous. Go. So there it is. Neon Dot using our new Neon acrylic range. If there's anything else you would like to see, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.